Stay out the way.
You fuck. I can't heal you again.
I reckon I could one-shot Matt from that health.
Okay, I can heal Jody. It's just you.
Quick save, Matt.
Alright.
Aww.
Fucking weak pussy.
Wait, what? I can loot Matt and take it. Oh.
Oh.
Ah, well.
Let's save him. Let's save him.
He's nice. He's Stormcloak. Don't save him.
Oh yeah, true. Scum.
Let's go. No, let's go kill the giant down here.
Wait, let's just kill the prisoner.
No, it's gank.
Wait.
What the hell?
Wait.
Join the Stormcloak Rebellion. What? Did you guys just get that?
Nah, I didn't.
The Imperial one. You can join the Stormcloak.
I
Yeah.
got join the Imperial from helping Raylock.
Where do you go? Do you go inside the cave?
No, I'm going down to the...
Oh, there's heaps of ghosts just saying, "Go, stay away, stay back, go, stay away."
Wait,
We should listen to this.
can I disease them? I can disease them.
Oh.
You two are naked.
Yeah, Jody was naked with his sword, just and he was like sliding. He is naked still. He's sliding around. Okay, there. He's not used though. Oh, there
He's
you
got a helmet now, but he's still naked.
Stay back, stay back. Fuck you, Matt. You fucking...
Well, I'm playing.
Yeah, I can tell.
No, there's a word of power in the chest.
Quick save.
Already.
Oh no, wait.
Don't worry, Matt. I'll heal you when you get hit.
These guys just die in one shot. But like, I don't deal their damage and health. They just hit them to take a little bit of damage.
Wait,
and
this
die.
one's not dying.
Oh, why didn't you walk across there? Run, Josh.
Oh.
Wait, I'm alive. Oh, fuck. I saw it, but then I was like, I was getting attacked, so I kind of just...
Fucking look at this fucking...
Is this
Time
gonna
to
give
go
me another
sell
soul?
all my shit. Oh wait, what's the time? It's not cell o'clock, is it? No, it's middle of the night.
You know what that means. I'm going to the Lover Stone.
Oh, Matt.
This Apprentice Stone's annoying.
What is he doing? Do I even want to walk down here?
Yeah, probably. I'm almost dead.
You are dead.
I'm not dead. Wait.
Also, Rexwood from the fucking...
You are worthy of speaking to. You have claimed the pieces of my razor. It has been an amusing game
These
to
fucking
witness.
explosion trees, man.
But Dagon does not declare a winner while there is a pawn on the board. Kill Silas. He and his family have served their purpose.
Should I tame a donkey?
Kill
Donkey.
him. Take your rightful place as my champion, or I will
You put like barrels on them and use them as like walking chests. Some shit like that.
Wait, don't kill. I
I'm
can
not
take the pieces back to
feeling
my
this
museum.
chill.
You get a generous amount of gold.
Right
I get
away,
to keep the
try to
collection.
find.
Fine. I'm not dying without a fight.
Oh, you're always going through my chest, Logan.
Still killing someone.
Yeah, it's a restless troll. Oh, what? No, get away, get away. He's about to die. Oh, bang!
Get out of my fucking way, dog.
Quick save.
Quick save.
I like walked. I'm still not used to the steed stone making you move at 1,000,000 miles per second, so that's my excuse. Okay, let me cast this real quick on an enemy before we start. Soapy.
Can you even see my one?
No, he's all the way down over here now.
Quick save.
Quick save. No. Wait a minute. I'm gonna live. There's water here.
Did you live?
Yeah, no, I'm not fucking living through that. Hey mate, can you quick save?
Oh, mine keep on corrupting. I don't want to risk it.
Well, just normal save and then quick save.
Alright, and now I'm gonna quick save.
No, what if they both corrupt? Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
That one probably won't kill you.
Wait, did I actually
he's dead.
die? Wait, hang on. I got this. I got a one shot him.
Okay, yeah, I'm watching.
Wait.
There he is, he's naked. Oh, he's put his clothes. What is that?
He has his clothes on for me. Yeah,
He keep going off and on. His eyes are closed. He's not saying anything.
Yeah.
Oh.
Someone there.
See,
Oh wait, I'm fucking.
I knew this would be
behind
fucking
you, guys.
buggy.
No, what's happening?
Fucking just bugging out a whole bunch.
No, nothing's happening.
Oh, he's turning into a werewolf.
Yeah, he's a werewolf. What happened?
Are you seeing this map?
Yeah.
One shot everyone. What?
You fool. You don't stand a chance.